Hey fans, and first of all, I have to tell you that I just got a new speaker yesterday, and yes, sorry I haven't reviewed that speaker at Mom's house because I did not have my iPad, and Mom's computer has a virus on it. So anyway, I'm gonna do the review today. So here is this speaker. And yesterday I got this speaker from Miss Rupert, and it is made by FCC, 8 ohms, 16 ohms and 0.25 watts. And this, like I said, this is 27 millimeters, and it's green, and it was born this year, as you notice. So let me get the camera at a good steady. Alright. Don't be afraid, there's nothing scary. Okay, now I'm gonna test, now let's test this speaker. So, here we go. Hope you can hear that. Pretty good sound quality, and I really like this little speaker. And as you notice on the magnet, it's a little shorter. Oops, the camera. So it's a pretty cool speaker. So I know what you're wanting. You want to hear it one more time? Okay, you can hear it one more time. So here we go. All right. Gotta go. Later.